So here we are looking at a laptop live right now. Uh, Before I show you that laptop, I need to talk about these three laptops. There have been people who have come to my stream and who have not on stream, who have come to Insta and they needed a laptop right away. Maximum they could wait was 3 or 4 days. Okay, and they needed a laptop right away. They didn't want to wait for the 23 days average now, which is taking a bit more longer. They did not want to wait long due to circumstances. One person was there whose current laptop had died immediately. It was a predator, old predator, and he needed a laptop right away so that he could finish his client's work. So he talked to me, and I said, just get offline. So he got the this LOQ, even with the 45% empty screen. Okay, there have been people who have bought this one. Off the top of my head, I think there are 4 or 5 people, either offline or online, but they have bought these laptops. So I would consider it a good thing. I would actually consider it a good thing to have a laptop that is 100% sRGB in the similar price bracket. You do not compare this laptop with customized laptops. You just can't. You are getting 4050, you are getting 4060 with a customized laptop. Okay, and you are getting only 4050 with this one, also a smaller battery and an HX CPU, so it will eat the battery more. Anyways, you do not compare it with the customized laptops. With you compare it with these laptops that you can get right away, the AMD non-customized laptops. Now, do not buy this unless this exact model number starts showing up on buylenovo.com, because I think last I checked it didn't show up there. Anyways, anyways, let's go through the laptop. So it's a refresh of LOQ. There is, this video is a placeholder. This is not a final. This is not a final video. You shouldn't make a purchasing decision based on this laptop because we know very little of this laptop. We know literally very little. All the scores I put here, these are all average. There is a reason these are red. These are all average scores. There isn't a lot of data, and as I talked in the earlier videos, the point of my concern, the reason I am concerned, is they removed vents from right and left. Okay, they say they have worked on the temperatures a bit. They say it, but I just don't trust it unless I see it for myself or someone buys it and does a review. So if you see the tech specs in the images, they talk, you can see what is bothering me. This is bothering me. In the earlier LOQs, the fans were pushing out air all the 4 sides, just like my IdeaPad, Ultra IdeaPad. They push it. Even the LOQ, the first LOQ, the IdeaPad before that, and even the IdeaPad before that. So this is Gen 6 IdeaPad, I think. Then the Gen 7 IdeaPad with the 6800F. They all were pushing air all the 4 sides. Okay, so I don't know what they have actually done to actually, to improve that temperatures. They say that they are using hyperchamber thermal design, but I don't go on words. I will see the uh, results. Let's say someone will now someone has to order it. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. This is the laptop I'm talking about right now. HIN. This comes at 4050. Similar thing. Only 60 watt hour battery. But good thing, this is 100% sRGB, even at 144 Hz display. And all the Barbie girls have that. You need and there is 4-zone RGB there. So this is a placeholder video. I will take this video down once we have more information. But the 2 points of concern are, the first is ADP, which I think should have been rectified by now. I think that can be checked like right away. So let's just check that first. Yeah, so you get 3-year accidental damage protection. You get 3 years ADP, so that is not an issue. And we're also waiting for the sale to start, so that is one thing. And what about the bag? Even if the bag is not listed here, you can just call Lenovo and get it. Yeah, here is the bag. So there is nothing, nothing apart from what I said in this laptop. Okay. As I said, okay, I'm ending this video. I cannot think anything more to say unless we have a lot more data. We do not have data. That's it. That's the main thing with this laptop. We do not know if this 13650HX actually performs better than this. There is literally one benchmark, and it is performing worse than 13650H. That doesn't mean that the CPU is bad. That just means that this person didn't run the benchmark in proper thermal conditions mode. Anyways, so let's end this video. That's a very small video. The whole point is, uh, unless I give full go through, you do not buy this laptop. At least if you consider my opinion valuable. Come on, Insta. Okay. Unless I have given a full video, I don't know who will bring the video. Unless that is done, I won't give it a go ahead. That thermal design is bothering me a lot. Let's hope that HEPA chamber actually works, whatever the word we're using. That's all. See you guys when we have more data.